We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, I mentioned, because I mentioned anyone who have a trade from here, at least they should move their stop loss to break even, because I mentioned we're looking for this correction, and still we can expect the price to drop, because when the price was here, we mentioned that it's not moving fast. That's why anyone, again, with the update was anyone was in this trade, we have to take out the trade. And even if we refer to our analysis, every time I mention we can expect the price to drop, and if the price break this low, then from there we can look for buy. Actually, when we get this down move on most of the coins, like Bitcoin, others, we see this down move. And what we were expecting also we get. Now what we want, if we get any buy setup within this range with the sharp move flag, at least this is the typical way we can take we get the trade. If we get any trade, I mean the buy setup, we'll take it. And when the price come to this top, we see if there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out the trade, and this is where we're looking for the stop loss. Okay, which is 0.042. All right, if I move to 15-minute chart, based on 15 minutes right now, we don't have anything. As I say, if we get any buy setup within this range, we take it. And how about if we see this one is moving similar to what I draw here, is really corrective, then we can expect one to get one move down. All right, that's mean in that case, we cannot get any trade setup. If it's really, I mean, it's moving term of really corrective, similar to what I draw here. What we want a sharp move flag for the continuation. And again, if we move to 1 hour chart, what we're looking for buy. And then how about if I move to daily? Okay, based on daily, we don't have anything to talk. And if I move to 4 hour chart, and again, we are within this correction, you want to see whether we can get any buy setup. And if we get, when the price come to this top, we just see if there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out the trade, because of the possibility we get the bigger flat. Okay, by the way, when if we get any buy setup within this range, when the price come to this top, then I will give update. And right now, the only thing is we're looking for buy, and we don't have anything to talk about, I mean, here to talk about. And if I move to 1 hour chart, okay, anyway, we're looking for buy. And the only thing is we want to see whether we can get the trade setup, whether based on 1 hour or 15 minute. And again, if we see it's moving really corrective, then we can expect one move down. And if it's moving the corrective, for sure we cannot get the trade setup. And one more thing, in my analysis, every time I mention if the price break this low, then this is the best option to look for buy. But beside that, we had the one option to have entry above this. That's why I mentioned I leave for the traders. And if anyone get in this trade, because as we can see, if they put the entry above the top, they should be in the trade. And if they couldn't manage to take out the trade, and right now what they should do is, if they see the sharp move with the flag, that means still they can expect the price for the continuation. They can stay with the trade. And if the price break this top or come to this high, we see there's, I mean, we see it's not moving, they should take out the trade. But beside that, if they see it's really moving a corrective, as I say, we can expect one move down. Then I think they should start to manage, or they take out the trade. Okay, by the way, that's why when we're having entry above this, for the option having entry above this or any other option, I put in my last video, I mentioned the stop loss should be this line, which is 0.042. Okay, that's why I didn't suggest for here. This is what we see, the price drop, break the low, but it couldn't break this one. But if this one move very corrective here, the next drop, we are not sure whether it can break this one or not. That's why if anyone is in the trade from here, if they see this move, the best situation that they should find and take out the trade. If they want to trade for the short term, if the long term is up to them, if they want to keep the trade. Okay, anyway, as we have been explaining in my last video, the best option was if we get the price broke the low, then from there we look for buy. And right now price broke the low, any buy within this range with a sharp typical way, if we get, we trade it. And when the price come to this top, we start to manage. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, we just follow the chart. If I see any changes or update, then I will share. Thanks.